Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Capcut to learn how to make your text pop with a stunning glowing effect. It's super easy, and it's going to elevate your videos to the next level. So, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is import your video into Capcut. Click on Text and then Add Text. Type in your desired text, and let's move on to the magic of making it glow. To create that glowing effect, we'll need a vibrant color. This color will be the glow around your text, so feel free to get creative and pick something that fits your video's vibe. Now, boost the size of the text. This is where the magic happens. The larger, differently colored text will create the illusion of a beautiful glow around your original text. Take a moment to preview your masterpiece. If you're satisfied, and I'm sure you will be, export your video to your photo gallery. Your glowing text is ready to shine.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.